Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kai Kai, and we're gonna be talking about depression and anxiety homemade ingredients. Like, I'm telling you, with everything that's going on right now, anxiety and depression is on the rise, and this is a guaranteed method that will definitely reduce your risk of anxiety and depression during this time. You know, turmeric is very good for the brain. It's able to cross the blood brain barrier, so it's able to go in there and help you out a lot. So the first ingredient we have is a lemon. First I did was cut both ends, then I slice it in slices. So that's two. I cut it in like 4 slices, so this is my 4th slice. Then I take the ginger, I slice it into small pieces as well. It doesn't matter how, just as long as you cut it in pieces. Then I take the turmerics and I do the very same. Just cut them in pieces. So that's it, what it looks like. Ginger, turmeric, and lemon. Then I just get a pot, put them together, and you just boil it for a few minutes, at least 3 minutes after start boiling, and that should be enough to help you out with anxiety. So anyone that's going through a hard time now, you have my deepest and most dearest condolences right now, and I'm here. You could hit me up in my comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All my links will be below for my website and for my Facebook and Instagram. So don't forget to inbox me if you need more ingredients or you want more information on this ingredient. This definitely helped to reduce anxiety and depression during this time. All right, peace out.